how to manually change the time zone and date in time on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, we scroll down and tap on general. After that, we then scroll down and tap on date and time. In here, to manually change the date and time, turn off set automatically. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Then here, tap on time zone. Go down to the bottom here and type in the time zone that you want to use. Next, you can change the date or you can change the time. So here I can set my clock to go 5 minutes faster and then tap on the back key. So that is how you can manually change the date and time as well as the time zone. Thank you for watching this video.